everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies.
And I'm going to show you which ingredients you need to put in to make cookies. So first, you need 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and you need any kind of flour, but all-purpose, like flour that you can use for cookies, cupcakes, cakes, whatever. So all-purpose flour, and then you need 4 ounces of room temperature butter, and then you need 2/3 cups of dark or light brown sugar, and I have light brown. You can use either light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. And then you need 1 1/2 cups of sugar, like white sugar. And then you need 1 large egg, and it has to be room temperature. And then you need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you need 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. You need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, yeah, just like salt. And then you need 1 1/3 cups of chocolate chips. So it can be any chocolate chips, like either dark chocolate chips or light chocolate chips. And then you need 1 cup of toasted nuts, coarsely chopped. The nuts needs to be coarsely chopped, and you can use any nuts like almonds and other nuts. So yeah, that's the ingredients for how to make the cookie.
Put the egg and vanilla extract into the mixture. Into a separate bowl.
In a small bowl, whisk together 1 1/3 cups flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then you need to stir in the flour mixture mixed with the beaten butter until it's all combined. And then, when it's all combined, you need to add your chocolate chips. You can have dark chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, any kind of chocolate chips that you want. And you just need to So you need 1 1/3 cups of chocolate chips. And then I'm going to have 1/3. So, then you need to mix all of it combined. And then you need to add in your chopped nuts. And you can use any kind of nuts. It needs to be chopped nuts, and you need about 1 cup, and this is about 1 cup. So yeah, add that in. And it should be looking something like this. You can keep mixing until it's all combined together. Line 2 baking trays with parchment paper. then you need to form the cookie dough into rounds about the size of a large unshelled walnut. It should be looking something like this. And the reason why I flatten them is because this is the next step. So you have to place the mounds evenly spaced apart and on the baking sheets, and you have to press them down to flatten them so they are no longer domed and the dough is even. So that's why you have to flatten them. And I flatten them. And they don't have to be perfect because, I mean, they're cookies. So, yeah. That's all you have to do.
Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool off. Remove the cookies from the oven and quickly tap the top of each with a spatula. Put the cookies back into the oven for 2 to 5 minutes until the tops of the cookies are a light golden brown. Then enjoy. Bye!